Hi guys, today I have another unboxing. This time we have Morpeko V Union. I just picked this up from Target. It's got the promo cards in it, the four that effectively make one giant card. It's also got an oversized card as well as containing, I believe, 4 booster packs. So let's check it out. We'll crack the side right there. Slide the tray out, and then we have everything in all its glory. Just pop that top off. So that unveils the 4 cards. Looks like if you want to go ahead and use that code, by the way, go right ahead. That is very much a giveaway in all of my videos, so all of you guys that play online will have the option to use that. So I'm just being very careful here because I accidentally dropped some stuff. But here we have each of the 4 parts. So there is the bottom right corner. There is that code again. So for you online players, if you just want to pause the video and use that, that's fine by me. There is the bottom left corner, the top left corner, the top right corner that I had sitting upside down there. And there is also a Professor Burnett supporter card that was sitting behind those. Next up, we have the oversized card. Again, just being extremely careful not to bend any of the corners. So there it is. There's that Morpeko V Union giant card. I love these oversized cards. I had to order some special sleeves and some top loaders to hold the big ones, but it'll be super cool when we get there. So it looks like we've got 4 booster packs. The first one is Brilliant Stars. Got another Brilliant Stars and 2 Fusion Strikes. So let's get into the Brilliant Stars first. Hopefully we get an ultra rare out of... I'll be happy if I get 1 ultra rare out of these 4 packs. I'll consider that to be an okay pull rate. So let's open this up here. We'll take, boom, pause the video, go ahead and use that. Take 1, 2, 3. That way we unveil the rare card last. So I've got a Pachirizo, we've got a Blunder Policy, Luxio, Brunzel, Holucha, Fro, Magma, Staryu. There is our reverse holo, which is a Gibble. And there is our rare, which is unfortunately not an ultra rare, and that is a Grimmsnarl. And there is also this V-Star card that was sitting at the back there. So let's open up the other Brilliant Stars pack. Bang. One, 2, 3. So first up we have a Clang, we have a Gabite, a Torkoal, a Dedenne, Farfetch'd, Duskull, Grimer, Shinx. There is Team's Yell Cheer, which is our reverse holo, which is an uncommon. And there is our rare card, which is a Garchomp. So, a little bit unfortunate that we haven't got that ultra rare yet, but we've still got 2 packs left. There's still hope. So, there is the code. 1, 2, 3. So first up we have a Simapore, we have a Metapod, we have a Battle VIP Pass, we have a Chansey, a Galarian Zigzagoon, a Mankey, Clauncher, Growlithe. There is our reverse holo, which is a Rookidee. And there is our rare, which is an Arcanine. So we only have one pack left, guys, to try and get an ultra rare. So let's hope that this pack is our lucky one. So there is the code for those of you that play online. 1, 2, 3. So first up we have a Copperjar. We have a Zoroark, Simapore, Meowth, Onyx, Tootle, a Shroomish, a Klefki. There is our reverse holo, which is a Victini. And there is our rare, which is a Goodra. So unfortunately, no ultra rare cards, apart from, I guess, those promo cards, but still a fun video to make nonetheless. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next.